In this episode, I want to tell you all about the brand new Synaptics Astra Machina Foundation series. Hello engineers, developers, and friends in the embedded industry space. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host. In this very special episode of DevKit Weekly, I am here in the exhibit hall at Embedded World 2025 in our brand new Dev Zone, where we are featuring some of our favorite development kits from the entire embedded industry. In this episode, I want to tell you all about the brand new Synaptics Astra Machina Foundation series. The Synaptics Astra Machina modular development kit accelerates the development, especially of high-performance edge AI devices and applications. So, if you're looking at the edge AI, you want to check out the Synaptics Astra Machina series. It's very important. But make sure while you're here to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and all the other various social media platforms. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so that you can see all that we have to offer, especially in our Friday series, in case you missed it, Embedded Insights, and the accompanying LinkedIn newsletter. Make sure that you're visiting embeddedcomputing.com every day for all the news that you need to keep up with the embedded world, news, and space, and make sure that you are following all of us. Thank you all so much for watching. I've been Ken Briota, your Editor-in-Chief and your host, and this has been DevKit Weekly.